In this video, I'll show you how I do keyword research for this YouTube channel. Keyword research is particularly important if you're a utility channel, which means either educational, how-to-explainers, or guided walkthroughs. It's important because we are creating videos around topics that people are specifically searching for. So we want to use the same keywords that they are using, in order to get the right video, in front of the right audience. The first step is to consider an initial topic for the video. In this video, I want to talk about how I do keyword research for YouTube. This is my YouTube dashboard, and if you don't have the TubeBuddy Chrome extension installed, there will be a link in the description below for you to go and get this tool. I'm going to click the TubeBuddy icon, and it will open up the channel menu. From there, I'm going to hover my mouse under Extension Tools, and click Keyword Explorer. Below are some of the most trending news topics in your area. You can click the drop-down menu to change the location filter. Mine shows a recent airplane crash, NASCAR, and story about the German soccer team Bayern Munich. Let's search for the keyword phrase, keyword research for YouTube, and see what comes up. This is the Keyword Explorer menu. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's do it one by one. First, is the overall score of your keyword. The long-tail keyword I started with, keyword research for YouTube, is showing an overall score of 47 out of 100. Which on their scale, means good. They determine that score based on a few factors shown below, in the score analysis section. The keyword has a search volume score of fair, meaning that it's searched an average number of times monthly. Its weighted competition score is good, meaning that of all the channels targeting that keyword, my channel holds up a good amount. The optimization strength is very good, meaning that the other videos competing for this keyword are not optimized as well as they could be, and that provides me with an opportunity to break in and rank for my new video. Below that is the number of results that appear on YouTube when you search for that keyword phrase. And under that, is an estimation of the number of monthly searches for that specific long-tail keyword. We also see a small graphic that compares our channel with the other channels that have top-ranking videos. They base this on average number of views across your last 5 videos. And this statistic contributes to your weighted average. More views means a higher authority channel, which means a better chance to rank for more competitive keywords. So with all of those factors considered, and some being weighted more than others, the chosen keyword gives me a score of 47 out of 100 for my current channel. For those without at least a pro subscription for TubeBuddy, will only see the unweighted keyword score. Unweighted does not take into consideration your channel authority, and will only give you a general score for how good this keyword is to target, based simply on search volume and competition. On the right side of the menu are related keywords and common video tags. I like to look in the common tags section to see if there is a better, and more simpler way, to phrase my targeted keyword. I see that YouTube keyword research is a nice, simple way of explaining what this video is about, so I click it to see my score for this new keyword. The score for this keyword appears to be worse, and is given a weighted score of 26. This is a bad keyword to target, because the competition is high, and the optimization possibilities are low. For new channels, what we want to do, is to find a keyword that gives us a great weighted score. Preferably, something over 70 out of 100. If we target and optimize our videos around this keyword, we should be able to rank our videos and get a lot more views. I'm going to click some more specific long-tail keywords that are shown in the related section, to see if I can get a higher score. Let's try YouTube Keyword Research 2020. And bingo! This keyword is giving us a score of 79, which means that it's a great keyword to optimize our video around. Optimizing a video for a specific keyword means putting the keyword, or variations of it, in the video title, the description, and tags. The search volume is fair, but the competition is low, and the optimization possibilities are high. And as you can see by the versus graphic, my channel's average of 991 views is very close to the 2,600 views of top-ranked videos. As you'll see, and depending on when you actually watch this video, the title of the video will be YouTube Keyword Research 2020. If when this keyword stops giving me the traffic that I want, I'll do this process over again, and find a better potential keyword. If this video helped you out, don't forget to click the TubeBuddy link in the description below, and get started today on your free trial of the Pro subscription. Thanks for watching.